Today I am going to make a solid liquid substance or a oobleck. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let's get started. What you need to do is like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's take a look at the materials as well as the procedure. So let's move ahead. Guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That is very important. Materials are with me over here. So let me show you all what I've taken over here. You all can see. I have some colored water with me. I would like to show you all the color. You can see the colored water over here. I have taken blue color. You can take any color of your choice. I have taken over here 1 cup of corn flour, half cup of water and a bowl, a spoon for mixing everything. So guys, see, the ratio is 1:2. Like 1 cup of corn flour and half cup of water. Now I have a little less than 1 cup. So now see, if corn flour is more, we can add water. But if water is more, our oobleck will be destroyed, right? So we'll have to add it a little carefully. We will check and add. So let's start making our oobleck. Now this is favorite for the people who like to be a little dirty and play with muddy substances and gooey substances. So this is going to be fun. So I've taken away a corn flour. So guys, after taking corn flour, I'll make a well in between and add some water into it. Wow, that color. Give it a mix. I'll have to add some more water. Yeah. Guys, mixing is a big task for making this oobleck. So, come on, mix. Guys, I will have to mix this for a good amount of time. Wait, I'll mix and then come to you all. I think mixing with a spoon is a big task. You all must have understood what I'm going to do now. So, clean hands. Let it be now. Dirtiness. Oh, it's different. It's literally very different. So, see, guys. Guys, did you all see that? Now, see, guys. I'm punching this. Nothing is happening. I think a little more water is what we need. But guys, seriously, mixing this oobleck is like a very big task. Guys, now see, now our oobleck I think is ready. If any changes, I'll do it and then I'll come to you all. Now see, we are good to go. My table is clean, my hands are clean, and now my oobleck is also ready. Now you all must be wondering, this is nothing but a normal water liquid. Not water liquid. See, it's moving and everything is happening. But wait, I will show you. Now my hand, see, clean. This is water. So if I drop my hand, it will definitely stick to my hand. Now see, when I punch this, guys, very little. And now see guys, very little. And now see, the magic comes here. My one finger goes into it slowly. Went. Did you all see that? And when I punch my hand, that time it's not allowing me to go. And one more thing. Now, wait a minute. Yes. Guys, see this. Ew. This is a little gooey. Guys, see. Oops, man. Guys, I took a little corn flour mixture or a oobleck. I took it in my hands and then, ew, it looks actually very disgusting. It feels different. Yeah. Oh. Guys, did you all see that? So guys, now if I take it in my hand this way, so this is what it looks like. So now let's stop playing with this and discuss how does an oobleck is formed and what is a oobleck basically, that we'll see. But wait, let me first wash my hands and this is an oobleck. It is basically a non-newtonian fluid. Now see, basically when I apply force to this oobleck, that time it stays solid. It is more viscous, means it is not able to flow that fluently, like not that easily. And so let me show you an example. So now see, I have applied force and taken this out, and I am applying force to this oobleck part, and it is nothing is happening. But when I leave it, that time this is what happens. See, it becomes less viscous. So hope you all understood the video. If yes, what you need to do is like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, meet you all in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. So I will play with this oobleck for some time and then go.